My name is Ted Lolley. I am a professional engineer with Ted Lolley and Associates, and I'm the project manager for the City of Owensboro for the construction of the $36 million Riverfront Project Phase 1 and the $19 million Smothers Park Project Phase 2. Currently, we've been working on this project about a year and a half, and we've installed the walls that support the expansion of Smothers Park itself, and are at the stage that we're ready to roll into the finishes that would create the real Smothers Park. All the effort to this point has been for the construction of the piling walls and the fascia walls that you'll see from the river in preparation for what really would be the things that people really get to enjoy, which will be the park, the Shelton Memorial concession stand, and what everybody's really excited about is the fountains. As we conclude phase 1 of the construction project, we're pouring the concrete cap that will support the fascia panel that you would see from the river, so we can install the handrail. We're winding up all the storm drainage and underground construction for all the sewer lines, and that will complete phase 1 as we roll into phase 2, which is the actual finishes themselves. And what you see right now at the riverfront is we're putting in some foundations for the construction of the fabric structure that you'd see at the end of Frederica Street, and the final construction of and tie-ins of some of the sewer lines that we've had to complete some lines before we could tie in others. Look, until we complete the fountain and the step, the cascading step fountain, the inlet water feature, that cap there is a more complicated in is that it is part of the fountain itself. And they're working their way through that right now, and that should be done in the next 2.5 months. We will actually start hanging panels, I think, probably the end of next month, as they fabricate enough to mobilize and bring the barge equipment down here. And that, of course, depends on the river elevation and conditions associated with that.